Okay, hello guys. I'm doing a PA for today on Kiwi Yen buy. The reason why I chose like Kiwi Yen is because today's Asia session there's New Zealand interest rate news where they forecast a hike from 1% to 1.25%. So I'm actually looking to buy New Zealand dollar, and so I pair it with yen, which is the weakest currency across the board. So as you can see that Kiwi Yen is in an uptrend with a refresh over here. So this might be the primary and secondary. And price broke up the trap level and it's an on market. So overall at the higher time frame, we see that in the weekly chart, we see that it's actually approaching some kind of level over here. So I initially I don't expect to break a new high over here. So as you can see, as price came closer to the interest rate news, initially I was thinking when Asian Open give me any pullback, I'll just buy and put a stop here because of the because it's already on, like it's on market. So and any pullback I'll just enter aggressively. So in the Asia Open, price came back down to this level. I just bought and put a stop loss here. Initially, I was planning to take the price to about this level over here, which is like maybe like 2.8 hours trade. So when the interest rate news came out, is actually stronger than expected. So the Bank of New Zealand rate hike the rate to 1.5% instead. So so I was actually thinking to hold because it's something unexpected and is supposed to be stronger for New Zealand dollar, and I tried to hold it to break a new high, but prices reverse immediately. So for the past few days, I observed that the price moved by the news tends to reverse quite often, I would say, based on my observation right now. So probably what I can do next time is that since there's a stronger than expected rate hike, probably I can exceed like 50% and let the other 50% run. However, if is within expectation, I probably will just exit the trade completely. So that's my first entry. The second entry I entered is probably a mistake where I'm expect due to the stronger than expected rate high, I actually expect New Zealand strength. So I don't expect the price to go like too, yeah, that I expect New Zealand strength. So when I see that for the yen correlation, about maybe like 12 a.m. in the morning, about this level, all the yen is like very weak. So the yen pairs all go up strongly, around this level. Yeah, so it all went up very strongly except New Zealand yen, which I was thinking that since yen is weak, so probably I was just enter aggressively the on New Zealand yen, but it's kind of like forcing the market to conform to what I think, I would say, because as you can see that actually price the buyers tried over here to take it up to the next level, but it just crashes down so hard. So this second trade is probably a mistake, I would say. So what could be better is maybe to read the market at what it is instead of like putting an idea and forcing a trade, I would say. So for this trade, so far I have like quite a lot of success on this interest rate trade right now on Aussie yen and New Zealand yen. Maybe this is something that I probably will trade in the future for now. But the one thing to be caution about is that when it's within expectation, it might reverse very strongly. Yeah, so probably need to take note of that. So in the end, actually this trade I broke even, but this demo account is okay for now. Like I'm still practicing and learning, getting the data set out, I would say. So yeah, so that will be all.